Hello, my name is Rahab. I'm a student at the University of Nairobi, and this is my term paper presentation on interlocking timber block housing. Interlocking essentially means two parts or pieces of a structure fitting together without the use of glues, screws, or nails. It is an alternative construction material that is currently being promoted. This is a video that essentially shows us the whole process, the putting together of a structure in a few seconds. The different uses of these construction materials include housing walls, flooring, ceilings, and even doors and windows. These a floor being put together. You can see the grooves and tongues of these blocks as they are being put together. This is a complete house that I got from Brickerwood that has been made of interlocking timber purely. This is a ceiling that is in the process of being put together. You can clearly see the grooves in the block. The merits and demerits of this construction material. We start with the advantages, which are the merits. Starting with the fact that it's sustainable in the sense that the structure can be assembled and disassembled quite easily. So whenever you feel you need to put down the structure and maybe use the material for something else, it can be easily done. The limited energy consumption in the sense that you do not need machines to put the structure together. You simply need a few people or maybe even one person. Someone as tiny as a kid can actually put a structure together. Cutting on costs, as I have said, you do not need so much manpower, so the labor in that sense is reduced. The strength, the structure that results is just as strong as a structure that's made of concrete or other material. I mean, it can stand for as long as 50 years. So that speaks to its durability as well, and the effectiveness in the sense that the structure serves its purpose just like any other house. Its demerits: the high initial cost of sourcing timber. Timber is quite expensive, and its relation to climate change. Whenever you speak of timber, the first thought that comes to your head is maybe deforestation. I mean, there is reforestation and afforestation, but then deforestation is more popular. So yeah, the precision requirement in the sense that the grooves and tongues have to be of just the good size to fit together. So you need machines for that, for the precision, which could be expensive. And the durability treatments for the timber to be able to withstand climatic, environmental, and biological factors could be expensive as well. Sustainability, the reusability of these materials speak to its sustainability. So it can be used for long. The availability in the sense that this material is essentially made from softwoods. Softwoods are known to be fast-growing trees, like Douglas fir. They grow quite fast. Ease of repairs in there is in assembling and disassembling. So whenever you need to do a repair in, say, a part of the structure, you can disassemble that part and do your thing. Low energy consumption, as has been explained in the merits, and zero waste, since you use all the resultant materials, like the shavings are just can be incorporated into the walls as insulation. So in that sense, you're not wasting anything. So this is a support image on the sustainability, showing the low energy consumption, and the ease with which you can assemble and disassemble the structure, as well as the kind of machines you need to put it together. So that's a hammer right there. The opportunities that this construction material presents for Kenyan youth: it's a new technology in the country. I haven't found any structures in terms of a house that have been put up using this technology. So the youth have an opportunity to, play around with the technology, come up with new designs, be creative and innovative. Then our sawmills have a very limited efficiency, which means the raw materials they use, so the resulting waste is available for the youth to use to come up with this construction material. I read somewhere the efficiency could be as low as 28%. So much of the sorry of the wood is left to be used as fuel and all that. Sorry. So the opportunities also pose a few challenges. Um, it's an expensive initial investment, both for the machines for precision, and the sourcing of the wood itself can be expensive. You need research. As Kenyans, we need to find out how the different environmental factors affect the wood and how we can customize it to be able to withstand these different factors and ensure its durability. It's an unpopular material in the sense that there are other materials that are more preferred, which means that the youth would have to, sell this particular product, market it and all that, convince Kenyans why they need to use this material. And the availability comes in the sense of the sourcing of the material itself and the competitive uses of wood in the country for other uses.